Welcome once again to my channel. This is Miss Jose. You are most welcome. If it is your first time seeing this face, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you for me. I have come once again with you, Abatolosi. Banangenchali kuma Abatolosi. You subscribe to my channel if you are in Saudi Arabia. Nebobera nga toli mutolosi ngoli wa contract. My dear, subscribe to my channel. Kuba njogera ku bintu by'abatolosi nenze nkubulira amazima. I'm telling you the truth. Nali ku deportation nga waliyo n'aba contract. So ndabye ka comment wano mu video gye nataddeyo nti mbuno nze si ebyokutoloka mbitidde. Mwana gwe n'aba contract bayita ku deportation. N'aba contract bayita ku deportation. So deportation si y'abatolosi bokaboka. Deportation ya buli omu Mukama akuyamba buyambi Mukama wona akugulira. Yankugambye Mukama akuyamba buyambi Mukama wona akugulira ticket ekuzze ewaka. Ate it is very worse with the contract people. That with the contract people, when you are brought to the deportation center, bambi babeera baawunga. Kugambe we were at the deportation with with girls from the contract. They were their heads, you know, nga n'obwongo tebukola bulungi eyava mu contract kubulireko n'okutoloka olusi kukuyambako olusi n'obeera ng'ogumira ebintu ebimu nga okimanyi nti oli mupambanyi oli jeno kuba ffe tweyita ba jeno obeera jeno nga wakimanyiira ne it is very worse ng'owa contract yaleeteddwa ku deportation obwongo bukuba sort. Ate abasinga n'okugwa eddalu ku deportation babeera ba contract. I'm telling you, naye omutolosi bamuleeta mafia nga ye ebintu abitegeera bulungi nnyo kuba abeera akimanyi mu bwongo nti oba ayagala oba tayagala agenda kuyitaawo naye owa contract kimukuba sort. Kati olwaleero kyenzize nakyo kirala. Kati olwaleero nzize kwogera ku at the deportation center. Bakuba kibooko, they don't beat. At the deportation center they don't beat. And if someone tells you nti bamukubira ku deportation, yes, omusirikale asobola okukuba naye era watuukira okukuba manya you have done something that is not right. If a soldier babeera b'amagye, they are soldiers, the army, if they beat you at the deportation center, it means that if someone comes out and says that I was beaten at the deportation center, it means that that person did something very huge. Ng'akoze ekintu ekinene nnyo kutuuka okubeera nti baamukuba naye nga they don't beat at the deportation center. N'ekirala tebasiba njegere, they don't handcuff or cuff you like the legs kuba basiba n'ebigere njegere naye they don't unless you fall sick. Bw'oba tolwadde tolaba ku lujegere naye ng'ate kizibu obutalwala ku deportation. Ku deportation waliyo ekifuba. Kire ekifuba kitta. In fact, the girls who die at the deportation, kire ekifuba bwe kikusanga ng'oli weak, nga omusaayi gwo guli weak ofa. Kuba nze namala ku deportation, I stayed at the deportation center for 3 weeks and I heard of 2 dead bodies. Yeah, that is it. I stayed there for 3 weeks and I heard of 2 dead bodies. Ne mu rumu yaffe mwabeera twalwala, nze nange nalwala n'enkomayo. Mulimu n'ebiro bye nalowooza nti this kiro I will not go to the next morning, but God helped me. I came out of that place. Naye nga ku deportation balwala waliyo ekifuba, obulwadde buli wali kifuba bakiyita ki welcome cough ku deportation. Kati n'ekintu kirala ky'ogenda okusanga ku deportation. Ku deportation tubeera mu mawanga ag'enjawulo. Kati ffe batutwala nga bamaze tukolako. In fact olaba eyo bus mu video gye nabalaze eyo bus yatambulanga misana. Twagenda misana kuba ze nagenda ku makya naye twatuuka ku deportation budde bwali bwa kiro. Then working on our fingerprints, our what, because when you go at the fingerprint and you put your fingers like this, if your boss had put a block on you or your boss had put a case on you, you cannot get off that stage. Kubanga, when you put your fingerprints, they get to know who you are, the cases that you have in Saudi Arabia. If you have any case, that is when they handcuff you, then take you to prison. But if you don't get a handcuffed there, it means that you're going to the ambas. So for us, we moved through the process, nebatutwala process by process, mpaka webatutwala mu ambas. Mu ambas ezo bibeera biruumu nga binene bye batusibiramu. kuba bibeera binene ono baabizimbisa byuma yadde birina ekisenge nga kino ekya bulijjo n'ekisenge kyo wookiraba we kyameguka. When you see that cracked like that cracked wall, the walls of the deportation cracked, eyo ebeera cracked, olaba nga kyuma kyekiri munda waali instead of block. So libeera nga komera. Even the door itself, the door is very hard, my dear, knocking it. So inside there, that's where you are put. And it has got doors. Inside there, they have a free area where you come and breathe. You breathe from like in a space waguru. It's open. It's an open roof. You come out when you're tired of the inside part. You come and sit out. But you stay there for me personally, I stayed there for. I was still telling you that for me personally, I stayed there 3 weeks. Ambers. At first I was taken to Amber 7. It is called Amber 7. Amber 7 yeyo kibeeranga kibonerezo. In fact yewale kibonerezo ekisinga. That when you're taken to that Amber 7, you will find banange wali yaba aba Somali, aba Ethiopia, those white people. Banange those people don't clear their feces. I'm sorry for saying this. But those people don't clear their feces. They just poo like the Arabs. They just poo and leave it there. Poo. Whether you are an African, you are Ugandan, you are Kenyan, you are taken to Amber 7 first. Amber 7 and the life there at Amber 7 is very dangerous because bwoberanga bulijjo badde opama emirundi ena walike ogenda kumala ennaku 3 nga topama because of what is in the toilet. Amber 7, the punishment at Amber 7 is just their toilets. The toilets. Now, Amber 7, if you are blessed, for us in Amber 7, we stayed in Amber 7 for 1 week. But there are people who are blessed, they stay in Amber 7 just 2 days and maybe 2. But Amber 7 is the biggest punishment, deportation when in Riyadh, where I was. Amber 7 is the, in fact, now from there we were brought to Amber 9. I was brought to Amber 9. Amber 9 is when they separate that Ugandans, like black people, stay alone. At least Amber 9 was clean. Twajisanga it is clean. It had people from Ghana, people from Senegal, people from Guinea, Bissau, Nigeria, like we blacks. It was clean. It was clean. That is a credit. Unfortunately, Lola Bafe, twasanga mu Amber 7, Amber 9, which was not there in Amber 7. When you brought to Amber 9, we found there girls who have stayed there for over months. They are Ugandans like us. You know, for us, we stayed there for 3 weeks, and we came home. But there are girls who have stayed in Amber 9 for 5 months. 5 months. I even feel sorry. Kubanga emmere ya wali ku deportation. Yes, ebeera eri kayinjala webe kuluma for the first 2 days ogirya. Ebeera ngera mmere y'abasibe. The fact is that emmere etuukira mu budde. There tosobola na kiwaayiriza mu Arabu. Emmere etuukira mu budde. Everything you want, like food, breakfast, food, water, everything comes in. Ku deportation, munywa mazzi gano agali sealed. You don't take this water taps. Simanyi ababinyumye baba babijja wasimanyi naye ffe twanywanga mazzi agali bottled. Ate nga gatuukira mu budde, emmere etuukira mu budde. Yes. Emmere ekyemisana, ekyenkya, ekyemisana, ekyeggulo n'amazzi bituukira mu budde in time. The only problem there, tubeera bangi, we sleep on blankets. In fact, I'm going to show you here a certain picture that is similar. I'm going to show it to you here. That is similar on how we sleep at the deportation center, but it's going to be for men. Atengera chemanyi it was a deportation center for men, men's side. So that is how the image there, how we sleep. That is how we sleep at the deportation center. But to webaka ku blanket eza brownie. Ekirala chenalaba ku deportation center because we go there when we are from different countries, like Kenyans, people from Ghana, Ugandans, Vichy. ate we have what is called entalo. Banange entalo zibeereyo munda. Gundi ansiseko blanket yange, gundi ansiseko blanket yange, gundi anzibyeko kino, someone has stolen my what. Mostly entalo zibeereyo za blankets. Blankets, problems, blankets. You've stolen my blanket, you've entalo za before. Where to sleep. Yeah? It starts with just one person. Kati I'm a Ugandan. Someone takes my blanket. All Ugandans will be on my back, and maybe I'm pulling ropes with a Nigerian. All Nigerians will come on the back of Kati olutano nolubero lwa mawanga nti Ugandans are fighting Nigerians. All Nigerians are fighting Kenyans. All Kenyans. That is the war that you can find in the deportation center. Biba byamawanga nti kitu kitandika kitono nekiyingiramu amawanga oba omwana abakunamidde okitegeero ne yeeyambula n'akunama bwate okwesiga ebizigo. Kati our cultures are not the same nti oli akola ekintu nga it's normal to her, she does something which is normal to her, ate nga for you it's not normal on your side. Or else girls are that sometimes they just throw their pads anyhow. Those are the conflicts that you will find, but it is very hard. The conflicts are just among the detained people. Nti abantu abali detained bebefunamu obuzibu. Ffe nga ffe abali ku deportation ffe twefunamu obuzibu naye nga with other people ate bannange tuve ne kuba n'abantu abatukuuma ku deportation. For them they are very clear. And unless waliwo omwami era ngenda mwogerako wano bamuyita Mr. Sultan. Kati oyo Sultan gwe njogerako ye mwami akulira. He's the head of prisons. In fact, one bateka kosmanyi head of the prisons bichi his position. Anyone who comes there will talk about Sultan. Sultani katayagala bintu bya azina olu kale engeri jakulira ebintu ebyo bya prisons and so on. Ye mukulu wa wali ayina engeri gye yeeyisaamu of which tebikwatagana n'abantu abaana abalala bye bandyagadde kubanga batugamba nti oyo omuwala gwe twasangawo, the girls we found there, it is him who is delaying their move up to now 5 months kuba yayuzaamu ekyo. In my previous video I saw you a document, I showed you a document that we use for coming, that emergency certificate. If you've not yet watched the video, please you go and watch it. In my previous videos I showed bannayuganda bekugambyeko abamazeyo ebbanga eddene benakugambyeko wali mu kusooka abamazeyo ebbanga eddene awo mukuni batugamba nti it is Sultan yayuzaamu ebipapula byabwe nti yabiyuzaamu naye mind you nze ngamba kiyinza okubeera nga there is something they did that made Sultan to turn how is it called okuyuza ebipapula byabwe ako ka emergency exit ako munange n'akayuza, but they have stayed there for months. So omu bwati gwe manyiko yo case gye yalina ye bayuzamu eyo paper ye yali emutambuza naye she has stayed there for now 5 months. But there are also other girls who have stayed there 3 months, 4 months and 2 months without traveling. Anyways, traveling mukama yalina okuyamba, but that is the life that you meet there. Anyways, the video is too long. Mugenda kunsonya kubanga ekibozibozi kinene. The life of the deportation is it's a long story, but subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. You can comment below. Let's meet in the commentary section. You ask me a question, I'll come here and answer and reply to you. If at all it is in line with the deportation, I will come and reply to you. But let's meet in the next video because the video is getting too long. Anyways, don't forget touching that subscribe button. Banange. Don't forget touching that subscribe button on the right hand of your phone and put on that notification bell such that you are notified when I upload another video. Banange lero benyizitabukidde bwaki. Hey, I have tried to fix my time enyonyi zintabukidde. Banange Mama subscribe to my channel. Enyonyi zintabukidde zindekanira. Nfunyeyo obudde bwange nkwata video yange. The planes are also becoming another problem to me. Anyways, let's meet in the next video. Subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please, you are welcome and very, very, very welcome. Don't forget putting on that notification bell such that when I upload a new video, you will be notified first that Miss Jose has uploaded another video. So let's meet in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell. Let's meet in the commentary section and hold the chat together. And let's meet also in the next video. May the good Lord bless you for me. Dipotation. You can ask any question. I'll come back and reply to you. May the good Lord bless